dresser.
He's doing okay now.
We're doing okay. Now he's into it.
Finally.
Oh,
That was the
wild
best
man.
part of presents.
Absolutely.
And back to the orange M&M.
I knew that would be the favorite.
What's in here?
Oh,
What are you doing? No throwing, Daddy.
Look, Solly. Look what's in there.
Woo! It's Cookie Monster. It's a sweatshirt.
With
It's a hoodie.
Look, oh, a hoodie. That's nice. And some pants.
look at
Some pants for
those.
Solly. Or are these for Steve?
My tush is too big. Oh, can you hold those up?
24 months. Yeah, I guess they're for Saul.
Yeah. Hold them up. Let me see. So what does that say?
I was afraid to get 2T. I thought it might be just...
These pants look long.
Yeah, but the 2T looked bigger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
TT.
2T. 2T.
2T.